friends, as you know, I'm back with another last minute costume for Halloween. But this one is my Loonette costume from Big Comfy Couch. And here I'm just showing you how I cut my beanie for the costume. I couldn't find a matching purple one, so I just used the next best thing, which was this dark blue. So yeah. So I wanted to make my eyebrows look kind of like Loonette's, and hers are pointy like an upside down V. I didn't get them exactly like hers, but I tried to make them pointy. In a picture, I saw Loonette wear dark eyeliner. I think it was like dark brown eyeliner. And I lost them. Actually, no, I think I broke mine. Well, I used my lip liner instead. And it's not really the same color, but hey. So I'm not the best at putting on eyeshadow, but here's me pretending like I know what I'm doing. And we can't forget to add her cute freckles. don't have a clown nose, so I just used some lip liner and some lipstick. An extra step you might want to do is add some setting powder, or like some blush or eyeshadow, just to keep the lipstick on a little bit longer. I didn't add the little moons she has on her shirt, but if you want to, a good idea is to go get some iron-on paper and just put those on. Or you could just draw them on or get some felt. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I have another video up soon, so stay tuned. Bye!